Justin Baldoni alleges that Blake Lively's solicitors are mistreating Taylor Swift. Blake Lively's solicitors are being accused by Justin Baldoni's legal team of attempting to coerce Taylor Swift into making a public statement in favor of the It Ends With Us actress. According to a letter filed in court on Wednesday by Brian Friedman, a lawyer for Baldoni, Michael Gottlieb, Lively's representative, allegedly contacted a lawyer at the singer's legal firm, Venable, and demanded that Ms. Swift release a statement of support for Ms. Lively, intimating that, if Ms. Swift refused to do so, private text messages of a personal nature in the actress' possession would be made public. A Swift representative addressed these inappropriate and apparently extortionate threats in at least one written message to Lively's legal team, according to Friedman's letter. He is looking for those messages because they might support allegations that Lively is intimidating and pressuring witnesses in the protracted court dispute. Beyond an unknown source that was highly likely to have reliable information, no other information was given. The charges, according to Gottlieb, are categorically false. We categorically refute all of these alleged accusations, which are cowardly attributed to purportedly anonymous sources and wholly disconnected from reality, he continued. We have come to expect this from the solicitors representing the Wayfarer parties, who seem to like nothing more than firing first, without any supporting evidence, and without regard for the individuals they are hurting in the process. In order to hold these lawyers responsible for their wrongdoing here, we will soon submit papers to the court. Days after Swift was subpoenaed by Baldoni's legal team, who chose not to speak for this story, the filing was made. Her involvement in the two cases stems from an incident in 2023 when Lively summoned the director of It Ends With Us to her home in New York City to talk about alterations to a rooftop scene at the start of the film. According to the lawsuit, which cites correspondence that use the moniker Taylor, Baldoni claimed that Lively's husband, Ryan Reynolds, and close friend, Swift, surprised him once he arrived. The megastars apparently put pressure on Baldoni to approve the changes after applauding Lively's version of the scene. Lively called Reynolds and Swift her dragons in a text. "You'll appreciate that I'm Khaleesi, and like her, I happen to have a few dragons," the letter said, "if you ever get around to viewing Game of Thrones. Better, usually, for better or worse. Because the people I fight for are also protected by my dragons."